Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? In today's video, we are going to learn how to ask good questions and how to answer them. Ibibazo byo muri Simple Past uyu munsi nibyo tugiye kwibandaho, uko wabaza ibibazo neza n'uko wabisubiza neza. Mbibutse yuko Simple Past ni igihe dukoresha akenshi tubara inkuru cyangwa se tuvuga ibintu byabaye mu gihe cyahise. Reka noneho duhere kuri formule dukoresha iyo turimo turubaka interuro ibaza muri Simple Past. Iyo turimo turubaka interuro ibaza dufata did tugateranyaho subject tugateranyaho verb. Noneho aho ngaho tuba tumaze kubona interuro yacu ibaza. Iyo ushaka wongeraho icyuzuzo kugira ngo interuro ibe ndende. Reka dushyire formule yacu mu bikorwa. Dufate did duteranyeho subject. Subject mbibutse ko ni insimburazina arizo I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Dufate did duteranyeho subject I ngiyi duteranyeho verb to study. Noneho tukibuka yuko interuro yose ibaza ihegwa n'akabazo. Asigaye dusome did I study, nize, did you study, wize, did he study, yize, did it study, cyize, did we study, twize, did they study, bize, ndetse n'izindi vocabulaire zose cyangwa se izindi nshinga zisigaye. Ni gutya twubaka interuro ibaza muri Simple Past. Mbibutse yuko ufata did ugateranyaho subject ugateranyaho verb, gusa ntiwibagirwe yuko interuro yose ibaza irangwa n'akabazo. Buri gihe cyose ihegwa n'akabazo. Did she visit Rwanda? Did she visit Rwanda? Yasuye u Rwanda? Yes, she visited Rwanda. Yes, she visited Rwanda. Yego, yasuye u Rwanda. Did he eat rice? Did he eat rice? Yariye umuceri? Yes, he ate rice. Yes, he ate rice. Yego, yariye umuceri. Do you go to school? Did you go to school? Did you go to school? Wagiye ku ishuri? Yes, I went to school. Yes, I went to school. Yego, nagiye ku ishuri. Did they play football? Did they play football? Bakinnye umupira? Yes, they played football. They played football. Yego, bakinnye umupira. Did we finish the work? Did we finish the work? Twasoje akazi? Yes, we finished the work. Yes, we finished the work. Yego, twasoje akazi. Did I pass the exam? Did I pass the exam? Natsinze ikizamini? Yes, you passed the exam. You passed the exam. Yego, watsinze ikizami. Did she call you? Did she call you? Yaguhamagaye? Yes, she called me. Yes, she called me. Yego, yampamagaye. Did he open the door? Did he open the door? Yafunguye urugi? Yes, he opened the door. Yes, he opened the door. Yego, yafunguye umuryango. Did you see the movie? Did you see the movie? Wabonye filime? Yes, I saw the movie. Yes, I saw the movie. Yego, nabonye filime. Did they help you? Did they help you? Bagufashije? Yes, they helped me. Yes, they helped me. Yego, bamfashije. Is there something? Did we forget? Is there something? Did we forget? Hari ikintu twibagiwe? Yes, we forgot something. Yes, we forgot something. Yego, hari icyo twibagiwe. Did I make mistake? Did I make mistake? Nakoze ikosa cyangwa se nakosheje? Yes, you made a mistake. Yes, you made a mistake. Yego, wakosheje cyangwa se wakoze ikosa. Did she clean the house? Did she clean the house? Yasukuye inzu? Yes, she cleaned the house. Yes, she cleaned the house. Yego, yasukuye inzu. Did he write the letter? Did he write the letter? Yanditse ibaruwa? Yes, he wrote a letter. He wrote the letter. He wrote the letter. Yanditse ibaruwa. Did you understand the lesson? Did you understand the lesson? Wumvishe isomo? Yes, I understood the lesson. Yes, I understood the lesson. Yego, numvise isomo. Did they come yesterday? Did they come yesterday? Ejo baraje. Ejo hahise. Ejo hahise baraje. Yes, they came yesterday. Yes, they came yesterday. Yego, ejo hahise baraje. Did we meet him last week? Did we meet him last week? Twahuye nawe icyumweru cyahise. Yes, we met him last week. We met him last week. Yego, twahuye nawe icyumweru cyahise. Did I tell the truth? Did I tell the truth? Navuze ukuri? Yes, you told the truth. Yes, you told the truth. Yego, wavuze ukuri. Did she sing a song? Yaririmbye indirimbo? Yes, she sang a song. Yes, she sang a song. Yego, yaririmbye indirimbo. Did he bring the book? Did he bring the book? Yazanye igitabo? Yes, he brought the book. Yes, he brought the book. Yego, yazanye igitabo. Did you find your keys? Did you find your keys? Wabonye imfunguzo zawe? Yes, I found my keys. Yes, I found my keys. Yego, nabonye imfunguzo zanjye. Did they break the window? Did they break the window? Bamenye idirishya? Yes, they broken the window. Yes, they broken the window. Yego, bamenye idirishya. Did we enjoy the party? Did we enjoy the party? Twishimiye ikirori? Yes, we enjoyed the party. Yes, we enjoyed the party. Yego, twishimiye ikirori. Did I forget your name? Did I forget your name? Nibagiwe izina ryawe? Yes, you forgot my name. Yes, you forgot my name. Yego, wibagiwe izina ryanjye. Did she learn English? Did she learn English? Yize icyongereza? Yes, she learned English. Yes, she learned English. Yego, yize icyongereza. Did he lose his phone? Did he lose his phone? Yabuze telefone ye cyangwa se yatakaje telefone ye? Yes, he lost his phone. Yes, he lost his phone. Yego, yatakaje telefone ye. Did you arrive on time? Did you arrive on time? Wahageze ku gihe? Yes, I arrived on time. Yes, I arrived on time. Yego, nahageze ku gihe. Did they dance at the wedding? Babyiniye mu bukwe? Yes, they danced at the wedding. Yes, they danced at the wedding. Yego, babyiniye mu bukwe. Did we cook together? Did we cook together? Twatekeye hamwe? Yes, we cooked together. Yes, we cooked together. Yego, twatekeye hamwe. Did I leave the light on? Did I leave the light on? Nasize itara ryaka? Cyangwa se nasize itara riri kwaka? Yes, you left the light on. Yes, you left the light on. Yego, wasize itara riri kwaka. Cyangwa se wasize itara ryaka. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.